Hello, I'm Chelsea Wilkerson, partner at Shakhan and Wilkerson Law. Today we'll be discussing how to hire an attorney. For more information on this topic, please go to shakhanandwilkersonlaw.com, where we provide a free brochure that you can download and share with others that walks you through step by step on how you can hire an attorney. You can also contact us via social media or call us at 833-GA-FAMILY. So you're trying to determine whether you need to hire an attorney. The first question you should ask is whether you need an attorney at all. So you may need to hire an attorney if you believe that your, former partner or ex will have any disagreements on any issue pertaining to your divorce, petition for legitimation, child custody agreement, settlement agreement, any of these matters. Another question is whether you have time to draft the court documents, file them, attend the hearings, as well as potentially argue on your behalf in court. Practically speaking, if you hire an attorney, you're not only getting their knowledge and expertise, but you're also getting someone who will essentially handle the issue for you. There's also the question of whether you have the knowledge, resources, as well as experience to research the necessary case law and statutes, to draft an argument, to write up the court documents, file it, have it properly served, again, as well as attend the hearings and potentially argue on your behalf if the case escalates to litigation as opposed to settling out of court. Even if your case appears to be straightforward, you still may need to hire an attorney. For example, you are obligated to pay support, but you lose your job and you're unable to keep up with the payments. Seems fairly straightforward. There's been a change in your financial status. That means that you are entitled to a modification. Well, even in this instance, complications could arise. The other parents could contest your modification or petition. The facts could be on your side, but you neglect to include necessary case law or statutes. Any number of things could happen, and something unexpected generally always happens in family law. So that's why having a legal advocate in your corner can make a world of difference in your case. So you've determined that you need an attorney. Now you're trying to decide what kind of attorney you need. For this question, I implore you to research. If you want to get a separation, divorce, modify a custody agreement or child support plan, if you want to adopt a child, you need a family law attorney. If you got into a car accident, you need a personal injury attorney. If you are wrongfully fired from your job, you need an employment law attorney. If you've been brought up on criminal charges, you need a criminal law attorney. You need to research what area of law your issue or issues falls under, and then look for attorneys that practice in that area. So you know that you need an attorney and you know what kind of attorney you need. Now the big question, who do you work with? For this one, I ask you to first consider cost versus value. You should call around and determine first what kind of fee structure that attorney uses, whether it's a retainer, a flat fee, or the billable hour. Which services that are included with that fee, whether it's just the legal services as well as appearing in court, or does it include filing, service, third-party expenses such as a private investigator, etc. And third of all, you need to determine whether or not you're going to get value beyond someone who just has legal knowledge. This is the time to ask yourself, will you receive a return on your investment? Not necessarily a guaranteed win, because a prudent attorney does not make guarantees, but someone who will communicate with you about your case and not just the bill. Will they return your phone calls and emails? Well, are they competent? Are they working with you on your case? Are they listening, and are they really invested in ensuring on trying their best to guarantee a positive outcome for your case? Also, you should look at that attorney's online reviews. While all of these factors are not exhaustive, they are very helpful in helping you determine which attorney is best to represent you in your case. So as a final note, I ask you to read everything that the attorney sends you, especially the contract or engagement letter, which spells out the terms of your relationship. This helps avoid misunderstandings up front and down the road. Also, be upfront with your attorney. Please do not hide the ball or keep things from your attorney, because this, at a minimum, will restrict your advocate's ability to fully represent you in your case. At worst, depending on what has been omitted, it could provide grounds for your attorney to fire you as a client, and that depends on the contract. For more information on the topics related to family law, please visit our website, shakhanandwilkersonlaw.com. You can also visit our blogs and go specifically to the legal practice areas tabs on our website. You can follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. We ask that you subscribe to our YouTube channel, like and share this video, as well as hit the bell notification so that you can stay up to date as we are regularly putting new content on our platforms, as well as trying to keep you all informed about the many issues that fall under family law. Also, visit our website to obtain a free brochure about how to hire an attorney, where we again have written the book and walk you through step by step on how to go about finding and selecting the best legal advocate for your case.